Hi, I'm Tony Luke Jr. and today I'm going to show you how to take your Tony Luke sandwich and reheat it in the microwave. So now when Tony Luke's delivers your sandwiches, they're going to be frozen. So you can leave them in the freezer as long as you like, but when you're ready to use them, you need to put them in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours till they're completely thawed. So I have some in here that's been sitting about a day and a half, so it's really ice cold, but it is definitely not frozen. You do not want a frozen center. So now we're going to take our microwave. Now the microwave I have at home is about 700 watts, so it takes about 2 minutes. If you have a bigger microwave, it could be 1,000 watts, you want to probably bring it at 130, 145, and every microwave varies slightly. So we're going to open it up, we're going to put it on a plate. We're going to lay it in the microwave. We're going to set our microwave for 2 minutes. And in 2 minutes, you'll be able to enjoy a delicious, hot Tony Luke's cheesesteak. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to open our microwave and make sure you get some kind of a towel or a mitt because it's going to be hot. We're going to place it here. Now what you want to do is check for an internal temperature of about 140, 145, 150 in that area. So what you want to do is you want to take a thermometer. You want to place it in the center of the steak. Now once it reaches temperature, which it has, you're going to let it sit for about a minute or two. It's going to sit in about 2 minutes, and it's warm to the touch now. It's still a little hot, but you can actually handle it. So we're going to take any kind of a scissors or a knife, whatever you want to use, and we're going to cut the tape area. And we're going to open it. We're going to take the first layer off, which is the Tony Luke's wrapper. Then you'll notice it's in parchment paper. We're going to undo the parchment paper, and I'll show you what's amazing about the way we do this. Look at the steam coming off of that steak. Look how juicy that steak is. That's from a microwave. And look at the roll. It is beautifully soft. There's no hard part to this roll. Look at this. Look at the juice dripping. Look at that. And I'm telling you, it's hot, it's soft, so we're going to take a bite of this. Oh. That's fantastic. So whether you put it in the oven or you just want to throw it in the microwave because you're on the run, either way, you are going to really enjoy it.